I'm wondering why I feel some tightness on my left leg, or more specifically upper thigh, the back of my upper thigh, and also my right leg. So I don't know why they are stiff. I did not do any squats for today, so I just did some walking for 2K, and then I did 5 minutes of shadow boxing. It was just lift weight, so just one workout for that, for the shoulders. So I just pick up the kettlebell of 20 kilos and just do some 3 sets of that for 9 reps. So yeah, for this week I'm doubling down on really lowering my calorie intake. So I computed it, so I just need 1,700 calories, and then that will be a deficit of 500 calories. So I think that's good for now. So yeah, that's day 57. See you on day 58.